Hi everyone, welcome to Quilts on Tour. Today I'm going to be opening up the March 2021 So Sampler box. I am so excited. I have no idea what's in here, so let's see what we got. So this month it's called Happiness is Homemade. So it's on the inside, and usually on the back of the card there's a coupon code. And this month we get 25% off Martingale books. It's pretty cool. All right, so let's dive right in and see what we got. This is a little pamphlet that says what's inside, but I'm going to look at that later because I want to be surprised. So we've got this cute, oh, it's a silver needle case. It's really pretty. Open it up. And it's heavy too. It's got some weight to it. And a little case for your needles. Interesting. I guess so you don't lose them all over the place. And the retail value on this is $5.48. All right. And we got a pack of rainbow bobbins. It doesn't say what machine these go to, but they're pretty. And they're worth $1.48. And then we have the pattern, which is Starry Checkers, is what this one's called. That one's really cute. I might make this one actually. The feature designer in this box is Corey Yoder, so this pattern's by Corey Yoder. I don't know if you can see that. It's really pretty. But you can make, looks like you can make a couple sizes. I like that one. And then that pattern is worth, let's see, $9.98. And then they give you the Greatest Hits pattern. You got two. Oh, it's, I guess tracked. Oh, that's to finish the block because this is the last month for the Greatest Hits, and then this is the instructions to put it all together. I started getting these boxes in the middle of the Greatest Hits, so I haven't made any of these, but the next, I guess whatever patterns they send out, I'll probably make those, and then by the end of the year you have a whole quilt to put together. We also have these Sew Tights silicone dots. Those are pretty cool. Simply peel off the stickers and stick to the metal backing of your Sew Tights. Oh, so these go with the they go with these things that came last month. The little metal Sew Tights. So they won't slip off uneven surfaces when hand sewing. That's pretty neat. And then they gave us 2 charm packs this month. That's pretty cool. I'm excited about that. This is from Moda Fabrics by Corey Yoder, and it's called Springbrooks. And try and show you some of them. I like these colors. The kind of country. That's really pretty. I like the blues. I like this one a lot. Well, let me know what you think. Did you get your box yet? Have you opened it up? Let me know if you're going to make the pattern. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you get to see more unboxing videos and other videos that I post.